Hello and welcome back to Spoken Essays. I'm Harshil and you're watching the live video where I figure out how to code. So, without further ado, let's see what I have to do today. Well, in this live video, and let's continue from where we left off. I know what I'm going to do in this live video. So, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so the screen is shared. Good. Now this is what we are going to do. Okay, so learn SQL by building a student database. So in the previous live video I finished these and this. Yeah, we were finished with celestial worlds. Yeah, and this took some time, but I sat down and finished it in one go. This too, and I'll attempt to finish this in uh, under 2 hours. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. Excuse me. So in this 140 lesson course, you will complete your student database while diving deeper into SQL commands. Cool. Let's dive deeper. I'll keep this with me. Okay. We are live and ready to go. Okay. Let's run with code ally. In the meanwhile, I'll pour some water for myself. Pour some coffee for myself, really. Because I can't do much without any coffee. That is a ginormous amount of coffee. I'll be taking sips instead of gulps then. I hope this doesn't keep me up all night. That is good amount of that is a very good amount of coffee, which is very hot. I should mention, extremely hot. Okay, right. Anyway, yeah, don't show the welcome page. Configure web page content. I don't want that. Tips and tricks. Nope. Thank you. Cool. Bye. Let's also open the terminal. First thing you need to do is start a terminal. Yep, all done. Okay. Yep, I already started the terminal. Yeah, so echo hello SQL. Done. Next in part 1 of this tutorial, you created a students database and then a script to insert information about your computer science students into it. Log into the PSQL interactive terminal with PSQL this. Okay, so pSQL done. Logged on. It will first ask us to list the databases so that it knows that our progress has not been stopped by any chance. Yep, our database isn't here. You can use the .sql file you created at the end of the part 1 to rebuild it. I recommend splitting the terminal. Yes, let's split it. Cool, now it has been split. I will resize this. I do not care. Okay, go away. Yeah. So yeah, splitting the terminal, you can do that by clicking the error or whatever. Once you've done that, enter pSQL. Is this on loop or what? Apparently. Just a second, my song is on loop. Yeah. So -u postgres students.sql. Yep, done. A lot of stuff happened in the terminal that looks promising. In the pSQL prompt, view the databases again. Oh, L. Yep. To show you a better view, yeah, now we have Postgres students template 0 and template 1. So as you can see here, we have students in this. now. Cool. I'll keep that. Watch. Next, this is what, 160 page course. How many is that? Let's open the curriculum in a new tab. I have finished 4 of these so far, and this is the 5th one. How many was it? 140 lesson. Cool. Just kicks now. Okay. There's your students database. Yep. Connect to it. Next. Now that you're connected, display the tables and relations that are here to see if it's all correct. /d display. As you can see, courses, their sequence, their major courses, major ID sequence, students and their ID sequence. Cool. That looks alright. View the details of the students table, students, semicolon. I mean, it's not needed when we are using /d or /c when we're connecting or asking details. As you can see here, we have these values: student ID, first name, last name, major ID, GPA. Next. Looks good. Make sure all the data is in the table as well. We use select for that. Select asterisk from students. Semicolon was missing. I can't see it anymore, so I have to go out and log in again. Yeah, but if I use select now, it will show me 31 rows. Next, the data is all there. You should take a look at all the details of other tables and the data in them to make sure they look good. When you're done, use touch in the bash. Yeah, I'm done. I'm convinced. In the bash terminal to create student_info.sh. Okay, so a new script file of student info. Cool. Okay. Touch clear please first. student_info.sh. touch. Yep, we've created a folder. Give your new file executable permissions. Yep, change mode +x. What's the file name? student_info.sh. Next, add a shebang. Yeah, studentinfo.sh here please. Yep, cool. Yeah, /bin/bash. Next, okay, info about my computer science students. We need to put that line, right? Okay, a comment that says that in the next line. Next, in the new script, echo what? E. In the braces we write /n. Between the slashes we use 4 tildes, and between the 2 tildes we put 2 spaces. My computer science students. Next, C must be uppercase. echo -e n / yeah. अब क्या है बे? I use the E flag. Okay, I'm going to refer to. Nope, I can't refer to them. Sheesh. Yeah, the new line character A50 देना पड़ेगा. Yeah. So echo E, then double quotes, then /n, then 2 asterisks, then my computer science students space tilde slash n and that bracket. Yeah. Oh, don't tell me it's because it's below the comment. It says should echo the correct title. You know what? I'm going to run this. Allah, run the script. Fine. Dot slash student underscore info dot sh. Done. It does print that. Cool. You will want to query the database again to get info about the students. Got it. We have a CSV file with us. Let's also. Nope, we don't have it yet. Cool. अल्लाह ये इसको रिसाइज करना पड़ेगा. क्या मजाक है. Okay. I am going to reset the database and everything. You should try your luck with Heather. Your script should have the suggested variable added correctly. Yeah, I know. Chill. ये नहीं चाहिए पहले तो. हाँ. If I zoom in, I don't want to be scrolling like this. If I keep scrolling like that, half of my time will be spent scrolling left, right. I will resize this then. Even then, I have to still. Fine. For you guys, I mean for myself, I will resize this. Allah. Resize करने को बोला resize नहीं कर रहा क्या मतलब? Okay. Yeah, it must be this query anyway. Fine. You will want to query the database again to get an error. Okay. Add the same PSQL variable. PSQL equals what? Insert data. It look like this. Yeah. If it look like that, I'm going to copy and paste it. What does it say? Yeah, of course we'll pass this, but PSQL equals PSQL dash x dash dash username freeCodeCamp DB name students no aligned tuples only dash c. Okay. Next. चल ना भाई चल आगे बढ़. Alright, next line. Okay. Below the PSQL variable you just added, use echo to print first name, last name and GPA of students with a 4.0 GPA. Okay. क्या चाहिए? Echo. क्या ये? अबे सॉरी. Copy, paste. Use अल्लाह रुक तो जा भाई शांति. Use the e flag to put a new line at the beginning of a sentence. हाँ ये कौन करेगा भाई? Chill. Dash e and I need to wrap this in double quotes if we are using e. क्या चाहिए? Use e flag to put a new line at the beginning of the sentence. Slash n. अब पास होना चाहिए. But I will reset this anyway so that what I'm thinking and what they're doing is aligned. I mean what I'm thinking and what I'm doing is aligned with what they're doing, what they're proposing, what they're showing me. हो गया ठीक है. This did not change, so I'm going to assume this is how they wanted it to be. Cool. As you can see, all the commands have a line break, 2 line breaks between them really. Okay. You will want to print what that sentence is asking for. First name, last name and GPA of students with a 4.0 GPA. Yeah. So we're going to use a select query, I think. But this will be quite different. Right. You should know how to make that query, but let's practice a little first. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's a language you have been using to manage your relational databases. In the PSQL prompt, view all the data in the students table like you have done many times. What does that mean? I don't really need coffee. I'm awake. I'm very much awake. If I yawn maybe 2 or 3 times, I'll understand that I'm very tired and I need coffee to keep myself awake. Okay. You will want to print what the sentence is. Yeah, okay. In the PSQL form, view all the data in the students table like you've done many times. Select asterisk from students semicolon. Done. Yeah. Next, we should look at the column titles that were returned. Student ID, first name, last name, major ID, and GPA. The asterisk gets all columns in a table with your query. You can return specific columns by putting the column name in the query instead of asterisk in the PSQL format. View just the first name column from the students table. So we will only query uh, first underscore first underscore name from students array, and we have a list of the name of the first name of the students, whoever they are. Okay, just the first name column was written at the time. Yeah, you can specify as many columns you want returned by separating them with commas. View the first name, last name, and GPA columns in the from the students table. Okay, so select first name comma space. कुछ अलाइ टाइप नहीं करने दे रहा, क्या मजाक है ये. Look at that. Would you look at that? Now if I ask it to do anything, it will return crazy answers. Yeah. Oh, it didn't. Wow, sahi hai. Anyway, select first name comma space. Nope, no comma space. Fine, I have to write this again. क्या मजाक है यार. Select first underscore name, last underscore name, GPA from students semicolon. As you can see, now we only have first name, last name, and their GPA. First name, last name, and GPA. Cool. Okay, you can return only rows by wanting a where condition to your query. A condition can consist of a column, an operator, and a value. Use one of these to view the columns as before, but only rows where GPA is 2.5, less than 2.5. Cool. Select this. फिर से टाइप करवाएगा क्या बे. Yep, it will. I'm going to exit. I'm going to log in again. I'll connect to the students database again. I don't want to type my commands again and again. क्या चाहिए? Wrote history to file students. क्या मजाक है. Oh, C. Oh no, I'm going to refresh this thing. I wrote history. I don't know what that means. I do not want to edit or work on my database. Let it run reset.sh. Cool. Now if I press enter, nothing will happen. If I press this, it says you were disconnected, you are now connected to students. Cool, we are now connected to students. Very good. Now I will look for my command. Yes, select first name, last name, GPA from students. Where what? ये क्या मजाक. Where अबे WHERE. Where what? GPA is less than 2.5. As you can see, now we have a list. Cool. Next. Oh no. exit use /q to quit. Okay, I'm going to connect again. /c connect to students. Cool. We get the less than only returns rows where the GPA column was. May I zoom in now? Yes, thank you. Okay, the less than only returns rows where the GPA column was less than 2.5. Some other operators are less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than or equal to. View the same columns but only rows for students with a GPA greater than or equal to 3.8. Okay, ये क्या है? Select where GPA is greater than or equal to 3.8. See, Kimberly, Whitley, Kessa, whoever they are filtered. The data is filtered. That only returns students with a GPA of 3.8 or better. There's equal and not equal operators as well. View the same columns for students that don't have a 4.0 GPA. 4.0 also works. that don't have. So GPA. Okay, I can't. क्या यार? I mean, I understand it glitches, but what is this? Where did that where come from suddenly? Select this where GPA is not equal to 4.0, that don't have a 4.0 GPA. View the same columns for students that don't have a 4.0 GPA. So not equals to. Okay. I didn't press enter, sorry. Also I want to do one more thing. Clear PSQL console. How do I clear the console? I use ठीक से दिखाओ ना यार. Get all PSQL commands /? clean screen / यार एक चीज़ पूछी है मैंने, एक चीज़, one thing. For PSQL in Linux, Control L. Okay, Control L. Nope. Oh, it does. Okay. Basically it takes me up. Okay, very good. That's good enough. Control L it is. Thank you. Right, the right query will get you only the data you're looking for back in your student_info.sh file. Okay, I can take this now. Okay, this file, shell file, add an echo command to the bottom echo, whatever we write to the bottom, that prints what the sentence above it asks for. So basically we are using this query. Yeah, I can copy it. अच्छा, ये भी सही है. Now it copied that. Paste. Nope, not like that. क्या चाहिए? Add an echo command to the bottom that prints what the sentence above it asks for. Place double quotes around like this. So echo, then double quotes, and then dollar, then PSQL, and then the query. Okay, so first double quotes, then the dollar, then the parenthesis, then dollar, and then PSQL, then the query itself, where I क्या चाहिए इनको. Add an echo command whatever sentence asks for. First name and last name of GPA students with a 4.0 GPA. Okay. Paste. Instead of this we use double equals. Oh no. I think we only use a single equal to sign. Okay. But chill. पढ़ने तो दे. This will make it so that output isn't all on one line. Okay. Run the script. करो. As you can see here we have 3 values. Yeah, makes sense. Next, add another echo statement at the bottom of the script. Echo statement at the bottom of the make it print this all courses names. Put a new line like the new sentence. -e /n and then the paste. Cool. In front of it like the first sentence. I did run this. पास हो जाता हूँ. सही है यार. तो फिर फेल क्यों दिखाता है पहली बार में? I mean, I understand. Probably because when I wrote echo it will run the test, and then when I paste it maybe doesn't run the test, maybe it does run the test, whatever. Okay, practice first in the PSQL prompt, view all the data in the majors table. What is this about? Whether all course names whose first letter is before D in alphabet. Okay. पहले view all the data, because why not? क्यों? I mean, yeah, they're trying us to. They want us to form a habit of checking, so we don't, assume away. So we have database administration, only database administration. All course names. अबे, all course names whose first letter is before D in the alphabet. अच्छा ऐसा. Oh, I made a mistake. Sorry. So which is database, web, data science, computer programming. Yeah, that's it. Those two. The operators you use can be used on text as well. Use the equal to view all majors named game design. Select क्या चाहिए. बे यार, I know there is a syntax error. Was it suddenly assumed that select FIRS is not a part of the query? Select. Remove these, please. Select what? Major from majors where what? Major is what? Equals what? Oh. Single quote here and single quote here because it's a line. Yep, we pass. Use the equal to view all majors named game design. Select major from majors where major is game design. क्या मजाक कर रहे हैं. Okay, I'm going to get a hint. Select from where asterisk. अच्छा ऐसा. What do you mean? दिखाई दे भाई चल. Select. अच्छा, select not only major. ये क्या है, कौन है? Use Control D to quit. बस I have to log in again, connect to the students data. Okay, exit. I'm going to try one thing. Instead of db name post क्या मजाक चल रहा है. db name equals students. Yeah, now we're logged into students instead of, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to type this command. I have to type this command. Select all from majors where major. ये major दोबारा आया कैसे? I must have typed it. Nothing. There is no other reason. Next, view all the rows not equal to game design. Would you look at that? बस हाँ. What view all the rows not equal to game design? Quite simple really. And I'm losing it. Next, I mean losing what? Why? Use the greater than operator to see measures that come after it alphabetically. This. Use the greater than operator that come after data science. That means the first letter that begins it. Yeah, cool. Next, game design was not included in the result because it is not greater than game design. Yeah. Try it with the greater than or equal to operator. The same thing, but now we add an equal to sign here. As you can see, now it also shows game design as well as the others. Next, it included game design as a result. If you want to see results that start with a G or after, you could use measure greater than or equal to G, where the measures that come before G. Cool. हाँ तो अभी करना क्या? View the measures that come before G. अच्छा, okay. लिखने देना यार मेरे को कमांड आराम से. क्या come before G? I can't type anything. Wow. Now I can. क्या मजाक है यार, ये मजाक बना के रख दिया है कोड को, एडिटर को. I can't edit this. Exit. I'm going to lose it. Connect. Yeah, to students again. May I select? Thank you. Finally, now I can edit again. Less than G. Wait, you wanted less than G, right? ये चलो गया. In your script, add an echo. We come back to this. Echo or what? Of what? The bottom window suggested info like you did here. Yeah, got it. Echo. I'm going to type all of that. Double quotes, dollar sign, parenthesis, then dollar sign again, PSQL variable, and then the query. लिखने तो दे, रन क्यों कर रहा है? लिखने तो दे भाई. You know what? Yeah, there's no point. I'm annoyed for no reason. What am I annoyed about? I have to find out what I'm annoyed about. I'll introspect later. Okay, we'll use select asterisk from where semicolon. Yeah, चलो अभी from where में जाते हैं. From क्या? Asterisk from who? Majors. अबे यार majors. Let's know what before I do any of this. All courses names whose first letter is before D in the alphabet. Okay. So select all from majors where what? Major before D, so less than the letter D. Single quotes please. Cool? Not cool. Okay, what is the problem? Select first name last name GPA from students where GPA is equal to 4.0. Yeah. अभी ये क्या नाटक आ गया. Where did this X come from? Go away. You know what? I'm going to read this. Select asterisk or all from majors where major is less than the letter D. Okay. Echo at the bottom of the printer suggests make sure you add double quotes when needed. Yeah, I did. Please, मैं तो ये अभी तो ये लास्ट हिंट पे ही जाना पड़ेगा. कर क्या रहे हो तुम लोग? Oh, I have to select a course. Ouch. But wait. In your script, add an echo at the bottom to print the suggested info. Aja courses लेने, not majors. I am so sorry. Idiot me, silly me. We pass. Nope, we still don't pass. Okay. Courses were course. Yeah, now I pass. PSQL select all from courses where course is less than the D. क्या चाहिए? दिखा दे भाई. चल एक मिनट. PSQL में करना क्या करना है? In your script, in my script. Okay. First the dollar sign, first the double quote, and then the dollar sign, and the parenthesis, then dollar sign, PSQL, then space, and then the double quotes begin again. Then we select whatever I'm supposed to ask for. उसने बोला all course names, so only the names. अच्छा, you select course from courses where course is less than D. Ouch. Run the script to see what the output looks like. As you can see here, first it returns data of these guys, and then computer networks, computer systems, artificial intelligence. Yeah, all courses with letters is before D. Next, I made a mistake, I apologize. Okay, looks like there is 5 of them. Add another sentence with the others that says yeah, okay. You know what, nope, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste that here, and instead of this line I will replace it with this line. Much easier. Paste. क्या line है? First name, last name and GPA of student whose last name begins with an R or after and have a GPA greater than 3.8 or less than 20. So we have a bunch of conditions now. Okay, so क्या चाहिए? First name चाहिए, last name चाहिए, and GPA of students whose last name begins with an R. Okay, yeah, कर तो दिया. Next, to find that, start by using the PSQL prompt. I'll press enter. I'm going to clear this. Control L is the shortcut. Okay, to find that, start by using the PSQL prompt to view all the data in the students table. All the data. Baby steps. From students. Next, it returned 31 rows. It did use the same command but only return the rows for students whose last name comes before M in the alphabet. Select everything from students where abe where what student nope student comes before M, so less than M. Hi. That just went crazy. Yeah, प्लीज़ लिखने देना, मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा. Select from where. Okay, क्या है कॉलम का नाम? It is first name and last name. अच्छा, whose last name comes before M. There is no student column. Last underscore name. Pass. That returned 18 rows. You can use multiple conditions after where and with and or among others. Just add the keyword and another condition. In the PSQL prompt, use the same command as before, but add an or to also return rows of students with a 3.9 GPA. Okay, the same thing. I'll have to press enter a bunch of times. Control L to clear that, and then now I can write select query, and maybe I can resize this to fulfill my command. Okay, so we use the keywords A and D uppercase. No, but we need or. अच्छा, sorry, not and, my mistake. Or क्या बोल रहा है ये? Just add the keyword in the PSQL prompt. This use the same command as before, but add an or to also return rows of students with a GPA. Yeah, okay. So GPA equals 3.9. So either whose letters name has some letter before, or their GPA is 3. Cool. पागल ही कर देते हैं. It showed more rows where one of the conditions was true. There was one more than last time. Enter the previous command, but use and to view only students that meet both conditions. Hopefully I can write over this. Yep, only one person. Now it only shows rows where both conditions are true. One person. Yeah. Enter the previous command, but add a third condition of or. Oh, that's very cool, clever. Or GPA is less than 2.3. पागल ही बना देता है. देखा? What is this command? Where did the rest of the text go? Who knows? It's all up in the air. Apparently I'm hyper. Next, please. कितना ख़त्म हुआ by the way? Will it tell me? I wouldn't know. Fine, I'll look at the percent later. Okay, this showed all students whose GPA is less than 2.3 because the final or condition was true for them. It didn't matter what their last name started with. You can group conditions together with parentheses like this, where condition and or condition 2 or condition 2. Okay, this would only return rows where condition 1 is true and one of the others is true. View students whose last name. Okay, yeah, the semicolon disappeared because of you in it. ठीक है, पूरा लिखते हैं. I'm going to press enter a bunch of times because this is so problematic. Okay, क्या चाहिए अभी बताओ. View students whose last name is before M that have a GPA of 3.9 or less than 2.3. That's exactly what I did. Have a GPA of 3.9 or acha, I think they want me to use those parentheses. It wants me to use those parentheses, don't you? I mean it as in the project, right? Yep. Now there is a difference. It shows this and this. You can see that has 6 rows, this has 2 rows. There is a difference. We can maybe figure out what the difference is, but that's okay. 2 students meet those conditions back in the student info file and in echo command. I'll have to press a bunch of time, enter a bunch of times, and then come Control L to not let me bother myself with that. 2 students meet those conditions back in the student info file. Okay, so now I can resize this. They mean this. Add an echo command at the bottom to print the suggested rows. I'm going to copy this line and I'm going to press enter and paste that. Now instead of all of this, I'm going to refer to my command. I could maybe copy this. Yep, I can copy that and print it here. Cool. Abhi this is not correct. This won't give us the result. We have to edit it. Kya chahiye? Yeah, this is the thing. So select first name, last name and GPA of students. So not everything, only a few things. So first, एक मिनट, कहीं पे मैंने यूज़ किया इसको. यप, सिलेक्ट फर्स्ट नेम. यप 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 यप, गो अवे. पेस्ट बाय हाँ ठीक है. क्या सिलेक्ट फर्स्ट नेम, लास्ट नेम एंड GPA फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स हुज लास्ट नेम बिगिंस. यहाँ पे मस्त लिखना पड़ेगा ना. पेस्ट. अबे ये कॉपी तो किया था. whatever. Paste. Now I only want the conditions, so where I'm going to use that. Cut, हटाओ. ये पूरा where को ही बदल देंगे. Where last name is less than M. क्या चाहिए? Begins with an R or after. अच्छा, begins with an R, so greater than or equal to R, or after, and have a GPA greater than 3.8 or less than 2.0. 2.0. Yeah. Yep, we pass because yeah, this is correct. Chalna bhai. Wait, what was it? Run the script to see the result. I want to run the script first. A bunch of things happened. We saw that first this database which returns Casares Hijo, 3 people with 4.0 GPA, 4.0 GPA. Then people whose letters is before D in the alphabet. Courses whose letter is before D in the alphabet. So you can see they begin with CCA. Cool. No letters after D or of D. Cool. And then we have this first name, last name, whose last name begins or is greater than R. So we only have 3 values: Riley, Russell and Vandenberg, and whatever their GPA is. Cool. Next, moving along, add another echo command. Okay, यहाँ पे क्या बात है, इधर सब echo ही करवा रहे हैं. क्या चाहिए? echo command में like others with a sentence, last name of students whose name. Okay, copy that from here till here. A Come on. Echo dash e space double brackets slash n and then paste this thing. Next, start by viewing everything from the courses table. Allah, ye kya mazak hai? Everything. So we have to use select everything from what? Courses. There's a few that contain the word algorithms. Yeah, like one. Then only one. There's only one. What do you mean there's a few? There's only one. You can use like to find patterns in text like this, where column like, okay, an underscore in a pattern will return rows that have any character in that spot. View the rows in the in this table with a course name that matches the pattern. Oh, it's like fill in the blanks, but probably much worse. क्या चाहिए? View the rows in this table, so everything. I'm going to press enter a bunch of times because this thing is just not budging. I'm so sorry for my aggressive behavior. Plus I can't paste that. Ouch, 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 ouch. Yep, go away, go away. Go away, go away, go away. Cool. Courses, what? Select everything from courses where what? View the rows in this table with a course name that matches the pattern. Okay. So nowhere we use like instead. Like what? Course equals this thing underscore LGORITHMS. Error. क्या चाहिए? Select from air. Okay, what seems to be the problem? View the rows in this table with a course name that matches the pattern. Am I supposed to write where first? Or what do I write for where statement? From course where, okay. Select as syntax error at or near course. This thing. Okay. Select everything from courses where course like. अच्छा बस इतना ही लिखना है. Bunch of errors. Control L. क्या चाहिए? Select everything from courses where course like course equals underscore algorithms. Yeah. दिखाई दे. अच्छा. Enter select all from SELECT all from courses where course like. अच्छा. No course equals. अच्छा. Oh, got it. I missed it there. Yep, only one exists. That pattern. Okay, so what seems to be the next in line? Last name of students whose last name contains a case insensitive essay or have an R as the second to last letter. Arre baap, second to last. What do you even mean by that? Now I do feel sleepy a little bit. So मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं थोड़ा coffee वॉफ़ी देख लेता हूँ. I mean, yeah, we have a mug, but this is not warm enough. So I'm going to warm my coffee. I'll be right back. I'll take a short break. When I come back, I'll continue with this. Thank you. I'm back. Okay, yeah, that was enough. Let's see. Hmm. Right, so where were we? Something with this, something to do with keys, like. Okay, that pattern matched only rows, so we used select here. Okay, that had exactly one character followed by logarithms. Okay, another pattern is character. Another pattern character is the remainder sign. It means anything can be there. To find names that start with W, you could use W and anything after that. So view the courses that end in. So view the course that end in algorithm. What? What? To find names that start with. To view the courses that end in. Okay. Yeah. Why do I bother? Okay, that means there is a problem. Nope, there is no problem. Okay. End in logarithms. You should enter the correct command PSQL. I think I have to put the. Yeah. I know there is an error, you idiot. Okay. How did that appear there? How? Okay. I have no clue. Right. Okay. If it found two at two that time, try viewing courses that start with web. Asterisk capital WEB. Nope. Start with web. I used that. What is the problem? Bro. Okay. Try viewing courses that start with web. Yeah, so course that start with WEB. अब क्या है यार, क्या मजाक चल रहा है बे? Okay, so it was supposed to be end. So if it ends with okay, so उल्टा लिखना है, ठीक है. Please, yeah. Combine the two pattern matching characters to show courses that have a second. Oh my god. So this is for start and this is for end, right? Okay. Combine the two pattern matching characters to show courses that have a second letter of E. So second letter will be E. Now do you want it to start or end? Start, right? Can you okay, enter. Yep, exactly. Nice. Next. I should have checked my progress. I don't have enough time with me. Anyway, so right, nice job trying viewing the courses with a space in their names. Ooh. Ooh. That's quite clever. Word between word. Ha. I got it. Right. Okay. There they are. You can use not like to find things that don't match a pattern. Nice. View the courses that don't contain a space. So instead of like, we write not space like. So any courses that do not have a space, which basically a one word course. A course that only has a word, not two words, to define itself. I will SQL is 3 words, but abbreviations win. Unix is also, I think, an abbreviation for what though? I don't know. I'll take one sip of this coffee. Even a single sip will be strong enough to last me an hour. 5 courses without a space. Try finding the ones that contain an A. So like A. That is it. A. Oh yeah, we saw 5 courses without a space. Try finding the one that contain an A. What do I use? U. Yep. The yawns are getting stronger, of course, and the live is. I'm almost. I should have checked my progress again. I mean, it's not important to check my progress. I want to know what my progress is. Okay, 6 rows. Yeah, you can see that. This showed all the courses with a capital A. I like will ignore the case of the letters when matching. Use it to see the courses with an A or a lowercase a. Yeah. Just okay, that worked. Why do I bother? Allah, I again forgot to check the progress. Sheesh. It found 11 rows. Yeah, it did. You can put a not in front of I like as well, so the opposite. Not I like. Ha. Aha. Done. So that does not contain. That do not contain. Bro, I press. You combine these like any other conditions. View the courses that don't have a capital or lowercase a and have a space. Oh. Yeah, don't worry guys, I'll almost. We only have some time left before I can go gentle in the deep night. Do not go gentle in the deep night though. Okay, that's a famous line from Interstellar. क्या चाहिए and have a space. Where course not don't. So don't I like capital. So एक minute. Capital or lowercase a and have a space. Do I do this? Nope. I'm going to get a hint because yeah, expressions are not my. Okay, yeah, I know. अच्छा and अच्छा बेटा ऐसे लिखते हैं. Okay, I have to type that down again basically. Now you're just somebody that I used to knew. Somebody pink 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 pink. I used the capital W. What happened to you? Where did you go? Course is what? Like. Cut me off. Select all from courses where course not I like is A and acha and we have got to put the yaar kya la ab kya hai? There is an extra space, weird space. Now there is still a weird space. Somebody I got to. I've only finished 40%. Oh, that is insulting. I thought I would finish this in 2 hours. No, I don't think so. Yeah, definitely not. Anyway, Next, in your student info script, this thing, add an echo statement at the bottom to print the results of the suggested query. Got it. I know what to do. I'm going to copy that, paste it here, and go to work on my query. What do you want? Last name of students whose last name contains. Okay, so this can go away, GPA can go away. So last name from students table, where what, where last name like, और फिर क्या होगा? Okay, whose last name contains a case sensitive. Oh my, case sensitive. So case sensitive, so like SA, lowercase sa, or have an last underscore name like, have an R. क्या है bro? I did not even request for an uppercase. तो देखने तो दे, R as the second to last letter. What? Okay, so second to last. Okay, so that's second to last. And what is this? Contains a case sensitive SA or have an R, or yeah. Okay. बोले दिया add echo, yeah, to the bottom student full line. Okay, you previously used this where not. Okay, yeah. Practice the query in the PSQL to make sure it's getting what you want. No, that's actually good advice, really. That is actually good advice. The conditions should be last name I like SA or I. Okay, if you run your script. Okay, alright, what did I use? Like and I like SA. Oh yeah, acha, honey, case sensitive SA contains. Then why is this I like? This shouldn't be ampersand, this should be the percent sign. Yes, run this thing please. Nope, still no. Okay, let's understand. The condition should be last name where last name I like, and then 2% signs and 2% signs in between, or last name like this, that. Oh, semicolon I believe is the problem. Nope, not at all. Okay, in that case let's type this then. क्या चाहिए? Last name of students. Okay, so only last names. Select last underscore name from courses where instead of course now we choose. Oh, did I choose students? Yes, I chose students. Do you want it to yeah, students whose name can say, yeah. Oh, बराबर तो है. Okay, I'm going to read this again. Echo, then this, select last name from students where last name I like SA or last name like this. Right. If you run the script, चलो ये script इसको यहाँ पे लिख के देखते हैं. Let's see. So select last name from students where last underscore name, ये नॉट कहाँ से आया? निकलो. Right. Last underscore name we use I like, and then this, and we use lowercase sa, case insensitive, so both of them not sensitive, right? So that's why we use I like. क्या चाहिए? Or, so we use the or operator instead of and. So or last underscore name like a space. So we don't want a space, we want this thing, this weird thing where it says r underscore, right? So percentage and r underscore and then semicolon. What does this do? Error. Okay. कहाँ पे? वहाँ पे. अच्छा, यहाँ पे अभी मैं कोड डालूँ तो काम चल जाता है. So apparently that must have been the problem. Yep, we passed the test now. Run the script. Yep, Gilbert, Savage, Saunders, Hilpert and Hasana. Hasana, tu Hasana. Machar hi machar. And now I'm not yawning. But the mosquitoes are at me. Ah, nice. Yeah. Okay. Just funny things. Anyway, हम कहाँ थे? Yeah, and it's Hasana. Someone's name is Hasana. Hey Hasana, मुझे. Okay, anyway, looks like 5 students meet those conditions. Yep, and one of them is Hasana or Hasana. I don't know. Yeah, however you pronounce it in Hindi, Hasana. Okay, looks like now we have another echo command at the bottom like the others. Make this one say this. Okay. These 2 sips of coffee will now keep me awake for at least an hour. Pain. Although it's Sunday tomorrow, so I'm not worried. Probably sleep for a long period of time. Anyway, क्या चाहिए? ये चाहिए ना? हाँ, बंद करो. Now I'll press this command, so it says reset disconnected. I'll press this command again so we can see Hasana again. हंसा दिया. Ha ha ha. Okay. अभी ये वापस रखना है ना. God. Now this is an even more complicated one. कुछ भी चलता रहता है. Just a second. क्या चाहिए? You know what, I'm going to reset this thing. Yes, I am. So that the studentinfo.sh file is edited correctly and my database is inline. Cool. It is inline now and this is edited correctly. I mean formatted in the way, in the manner freeCodeCamp likes it. Cool. क्या चाहिए? अभी ये चाहिए. Okay. इसको उठाओ, paste, and of course it's incorrect because I haven't pasted this yet, my friend. Okay, we go here and I paste this now. Okay, now I'm going to read that. Yeah. First name, last name and GPA of students, okay, who have not selected a major. So major is null, and either their first name begins with D I mean, I won't say null. I'll put a space there. Oh, no space here. Oh, acha, okay. Either their first name begins with D or they have a GPA greater than 3.2. क्या कुछ भी लेके आते हैं यार ये लोग तो. सही है. Okay. Yeah. So select everything from students. The connection was lost. It is now succeeded. 43% only. क्या? Wow. Okay. Crazy. Only 43% is complete, and I thought I was halfway done. All the fields that are empty or blank are null. Yeah, you can access them using is null as a condition like this, where whatever the column is null. Okay, view the students who don't have a GPA. Cool. So select students. What is the name of the column, please? First name, last name. तो तुम्हें कौन से columns चाहिए भाई? Yeah, I know. Do you want asterisk? Yep, everything, all the columns. Fine. So everything from students. Better to put that semicolon. क्या चाहिए अभी? Yeah, select everything from students where what, where who, where how. Anyway, क्या चाहिए? View the students who don't have a GPA. Cool. So where GPA is null. Ha. 3 people don't have a GPA. Inversely, you can use is not null. A bunch of errors. I know. Is not null. This editor is subpar, mid to say. A lot of you might not know what mid is. I will educate you now. Define mid. This is not what I'm talking about. None of them mean this. What does mid mean? Slang? Mediocre. Exactly. So mid is mediocre. Next. Okay. So mid. Just a second. Okay, right. Let's continue. I'm live on Facebook. So fortunate. Sana. Yeah. You go Duran Duran. Oh, Duran Duran is a great band. Oh my god. I've got to do something. Just a second. My immaculate dream. That is amazing. Come Undone is a song that I love. Also, although most of their columns. This song. My immaculate dream made breathe and skin. Na 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 na. You can, I don't know if you can hear that. Probably you guys, you probably shouldn't because YouTube will ban me. But I can a cappella, so okay. View all the info on students who haven't chosen a major. No major. So instead of GPA, we now write major ID is null. Ha. View the students who don't have a major but don't include students without a GPA. Nope. क्या फिर से who don't have a major, very good, but don't include. What do I use logically for but? And GPA नहीं है. What students who don't have a major but don't include students without a GPA. So and स्टूडेंट्स दिखाओ जिनका मेजर है लेकिन वो मत दिखाओ जिनका GPA नहीं है. सो people without a major and without a GPA. So but is and, I think, I don't know, I'm not sure. If I'm not sure, let's try to be sure. I'm going to press enter. Of course there will be errors, but I'll press Control L to clear that out. Okay, view the students who don't have a major. Okay, जिनके पास major नहीं है. Cool. So first major is null, so they don't have a major but don't include students without a GPA. What does that mean? So इन लोगों का GPA है, इसका नहीं है. Emma is empty, so I think I should write and, so that would cover two of them. And major, so no, not major, GPA is null, so only Emma. Wait, don't include without GPA, sorry, so is not null. Hey Chan, say I'll finish it at least 50% and then head to bed. Okay. Who do you need? Who do you love? Who do you love? You come and out, can ever keep you falling apart? No, can ever keep. Anyway, that was a short digression. One more, view the students who don't have a major and GPA, which was this person called Emma Gilbert. It is 46% done. Command done. No, I must have cut myself. In your script, add an echo command to fulfill whatever we are looking for. Okay. I'm going to type this out. Okay. PSQL, my immaculate dreams. That is an amazing song. You guys should listen to it. Command done by Duran Duran. Amazing band. I don't know if it's a band. I think it's a band. And they are still active. Or maybe their houses are. Okay, what do you want? First name, so first underscore name, last underscore name, and GPA, so gap GPA. Anyway, GPA from students where what. I'm going to resize this thing. Where what? We have not selected any major, so where major is null and either, so another one of these, क्या, where, and क्या चाहिए, their first name, so first underscore name, कुछ भी बना दे रहे थे, first name begins with, so first name like begins with D, capital D, so I'm not going to use I like, I'll use like, capital D, first name begins with, so hey Chan, first, or they have a GPA, so or GPA like, wait, no need to use the like, greater than 3.0, so greater than 3.0. Your script should print the results of the suggested query correctly. Run this. Incorrect. Okay. Probably for first of that. Okay, first RGB. I'm going to try and type that out again. So okay, select everything from students where major underscore ID is null. Acha, I used major underscore ID. Oh, this should be major underscore ID. Yes. Yep, we pass. 47%. 3% more to go, then I'm going to close this live. Come on down. Hey Chan, say now, it's too late. Run the script to see students that meet those conditions. हाँ तो किया तो सही, क्या? Hey? What? Oh. Yeah, we ran the script. As you can see here, we have Noe, Savage, Dan, Nung, Hugo Duran. Next, 48% complete. 2 more tests to go, I suppose. There's 3 of them. Yep. Add another sent. Oh my god, ये क्या मजाक करवा दिया यार. Yeah, as soon as I'm done with 50%, I'm going to finish this live and have a good night to myself. Allah, yeah, it copied the entire paragraph. क्या यार? My immaculate dreams. I should have checked whether it was 49 or 48. Okay. You can specify the order you want your results to be in by adding order by. Okay. So this shall go at the end of the query. In the PSQL prompt, view all the info in the students table in order by GPAs. So select everything from students, but nowhere. Everywhere. Nowhere, only everywhere. Okay, select everything from students, and after that we use order by what? GPA. Done. So the one with the highest GPA will be put first. Is there an order? The one with the lowest will be put first. So 1.8, 1.9. Apparently Emma has no GPA, so she comes at the top, and 50% is complete. Yeah, I've got to end this here, man. Yeah, I'm going to exit this thing. Yeah, 50% bus, yeah. Exit. We'll continue with this project tomorrow. Thank you for watching Spoken Essays. I am Harshal Vora, and I will see you guys back again tomorrow. Thank you. I say thank you a bunch of times, and now I will see you guys again. Bye. Ciao.